welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about this. I've waited for weeks to finally unbox this item. So this is an early Christmas present, but also a very special gift to myself, acknowledging the effort and hard work that I have put into my YouTube channel. Reaching 1,000 YouTube subscribers is no easy feat, and I am so thankful to each and every one of you for following me on this journey and being a part of my community. So thank you guys so much. This is really for you as my ode to you and my expression of gratitude and gratefulness for following me and supporting me on this journey. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing. So I'm just gonna gently remove the beautiful camellia flower. And we're gonna go ahead and open up this beauty. This was an item I actually had a hard time finding, not the item itself, but in this particular size. So I was so thankful when my SA was able to get her hands on this for me. Reached this milestone with you guys. Love that Chanel does this. They have this like crinkled way of stuffing the box. They kind of crinkle up the Chanel tissue paper. So cute. And then you've got Chanel all over the tissue paper, as well as on the sticker. Let me know if you guys can see that there. So cute. I always like to save all of the original packaging just in the event that I decide to let go or sell one of my items. I have all of the original packaging. So in here, there's like a little Chanel booklet. The first page is in French, as you can see there. And then the second page is in English, and then you have it in other languages in the subsequent pages. But here on the second page, it talks about the story and craftsmanship of the bag. It also talks about some care for the bag. So not exposing it to light, avoiding contact between light colored and dark colored, just in the event of color transfer. It talks about polishing metal parts with a soft cloth. So it's really nice that they have this care manual with their items. This looks like it actually comes with a polishing cloth. So it does have a cardstock piece of paper inside, and it says Chanel there, and it's in this really soft, pretty white fabric. This is actually the fabric of Chanel's older dust bags. They had the old dust bag where instead of it being in black and saying the word Chanel, it was all white in this soft material, almost like a silk. And it had the picture of Coco Chanel herself. I actually quite enjoy those dust bags, and one of the reasons why I love purchasing pre-loved is because a lot of times the older items still come in that dust bag. The newer items come in this black dust bag, which I'm really not a fan of personally. I am more of a traditional girl, and I really appreciate the older dust bags with the Coco Chanel drawing on the dust bag. So let's go ahead and open this beauty up. And here she is. Some of you guessed correctly. This is the Chanel 22 in the size small. And I have been having my eye on this bag for several months now. I originally was torn between the size small and the mini. I loved the mini, the first version that came out with the pearl handle strap. But after seeing a few other YouTubers and their reviews, I opted for the small. This bag does come with a mini zipper pocket pouch on the interior. It is detachable, so you can remove it here by just opening up this clip and detaching it, so you can use it on its own just like so. And it's just plain black leather. It's very glossy and beautiful, so I really enjoy it. And it's got the quilting on the inside, which is so pretty. This is really beautiful. I kind of wish there was a chain kind of detail on the zipper pull, but that's okay. I'm still really happy with it, and I think it's generous that it does come with that extra pouch. Here's the authentication plaque, and it's all cloth on the inside. It's got this nice zipper pocket in here, which is pretty generous. It goes down to about here in the bag. And then this is the exterior of the bag. It does have a button closure on the side, and another one here on this side, and then the one in the middle, which is magnetic. So the middle button closure is magnetic. The two on the sides are non-magnetic. And you've got this gorgeous chain detail. I absolutely love the medallion. I think the medallion is so beautiful, and it just adds a nice little pop of edge. Now the size small, I think, is pretty ample in my opinion. For reference, I am pretty petite. I am 5'2", and I am about, right now I weigh a little bit more than I'd like. I'm about 139 pounds, but I think that this bag is the perfect size. So I'm gonna go ahead and include some mod shots at the end, but let me know your thoughts. If you guessed this bag, comment below. Let me know what you guys think. If you're happy that I got this bag, if you would have opted for something else, or maybe opted for this bag in a different color. I'm really happy because I think I'll get a lot of cost per wear with this bag. It's very easy to use, and from the other YouTubers and reviews I've seen, people really enjoy this bag. So it's a nice everyday bag. It's not super dressy, it's more casual and just really easy to use for an everyday bag, and that's really what I was looking for. I've also seen people wear this bag to work, so you can put in a laptop or, you know, notebooks and other items. So that's one of the things I really love about this bag as well. I am just going to switch bags and see if the items that I normally do carry with me would fit, which you can see here is not very much. I've just got my cards, a couple of my credit cards, and my keys. I do typically carry a wallet, but it's not here with me at the moment. I've got a book, my jet lag mask, and then I'm just gonna throw these items in here. So I've got my keys, my cards, and I'm just gonna zip it up, and it fits perfectly in that inside zipper pocket, no bulge. It actually fits perfect. So this is really all I need this for. I'm not carrying a whole bunch. I do like using a full-size wallet, so I have switched to my Bottega Veneta full-size Intrecciato wallet, and this will fit perfectly in here. So that's a nice advantage. I don't need to carry my laptop with me, but I think my iPad would fit comfortably in here because it's a little smaller and sleeker. What I worry about is the height. Again, for reference, this is the size small. If you were to go with the medium or the large, you could easily fit a laptop inside, but I opted for the small simply because I am more on the petite size. I will be showing mod shots during this video, so stay tuned for that. But because I am more petite, I think the way that this bag is shaped and the size of it is perfect for me. But if you opted for a larger version, you could definitely fit more in it. I would probably go for the medium. I would not go for the large. Personally, I don't like the way the large looks. It's just too large for me, but the size small for me was perfect. So this is what fits in my bag. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And for size comparison for you guys, so this is the size small again. I'm just gonna hold it up with my Gucci. Here you can kind of see the difference in size. This is my Gucci horse bit compared to the Chanel. Here you go. That's a top shot there. So you see it is significantly wider. This bag will not stay put for some reason. She's giving me a hard time today. But this is the horse bit, and that's from the top angle. There we go. She's like a quarter of the size, literally a quarter of the size. So not too big compared. The Chanel 22 does not come with a crossbody option, so it is a shoulder bag. That's how she's meant to be worn. I love the crossbody option, but I do have quite a few crossbody bags in my collection, so I was okay with opting for a more shoulder bag. I was looking for something that was a little bit dressier, but still can be worn as an everyday bag. She's casual, she's edgy, but she's still sophisticated and beautiful. You can wear her over coats and sweaters because of her drop length. So she does have a significant and generous drop length here, so you can wear her over coats and sweaters. And I love the medallion here. I think she's so pretty. Comment down below if you have any other questions about this bag or anything else you'd like me to review. Definitely comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Until next time. Bye guys.